Curly Sue, and if you're coming to my channel for the first time, welcome to Curly Sue's Kitchen. So today I'm going to make something really nice and healthy for you. This is really good, particularly around the autumn, winter time, or if you're just feeling a bit run down, or it's something good to have each day. What I'm talking about are turmeric shots. Now, in the UK where I live, you can buy them in the supermarket already made up for you. But then I looked at it and I thought, actually, that's actually really easy to make yourself. So I thought, why not make a video on how to make turmeric shots? So here we are, how to make turmeric shots yourself at home. So what you're going to need first of all is the juice of 5 or 6 oranges. Some medium-sized oranges is fine, and then 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. So thumb size, just if you measure it against your thumb like that, if you measure it against your thumb like that, just about that size pieces of ginger, 2 of those, that will be perfectly fine. And then 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered turmeric. Now if you can get the fresh turmeric, even better. So what you would do is juice it at the same time as you juice the ginger in this recipe. So first of all, you're going to juice the oranges, all 5-6 of them, and put that juice in a jug or bowl and set that aside. Then you're going to peel. You can actually peel it with a spoon. Actually, I'll put in the description the link to my video, how to peel ginger with a spoon. It's quite a popular video. Peel the ginger and chop it up. If you're using fresh turmeric, I would do the same, peel it and chop it up, and then put it into a juicer and just blend out, juice out the juice of the ginger, and if you're using fresh turmeric, of the fresh turmeric. Then you're going to mix together the orange juice, the juice from the ginger or turmeric, and if you're using powdered turmeric, use the powdered turmeric. Mix that all in together and place it in a glass or BPA free plastic jar. Give it a good shake, and then each day I would recommend a shot glass size, so it's about 2 to 3 ounces, between 2 and 3 ounces, a shot glass size, a shot glass full of the orange turmeric juice, and you take that once a day in the morning, and it will, there's so many health benefits. Actually, if you know all the health benefits of turmeric and ginger and so forth, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you know about the benefits of turmeric and the benefits of ginger as well. I know orange obviously has vitamin C, ginger is good for a lot of different things, and so is turmeric. But comment in the comment section below, let's share. Oh, I wanted to say, I am perfectly fine if you see me in public, if you come up to me to say hello. I was in Planet Organic recently, and somebody came up to me and said, "Hi Curly Sue," and I thought, who's that? Oh, me? Well, obviously I know I'm Curly Sue, but I wasn't expecting somebody in public to call me while I'm out shopping. But it's perfectly fine, I don't mind at all. If you see me out in public and you want to say hello, you're more than welcome to do so. I'm more than happy to speak to anyone who watches my videos and supports me in what I do. More than happy to say hi. So for those people who have, it's really great to meet with you. People say, oh, wanted to meet you face to face, which is great. I will be at VegFest 2022 in London. So VegFest London, I'll be there in November. It's November the, can't remember what date, but whatever, VegFest London, I'm on there on the Sunday. I think it's the 12th or the 13th of November, one of those dates. And I will be there, and if you want to come along and meet me in person, I will be there, and I'm going to be interviewed about what it is that I'm doing, some different projects I've got coming up. So yeah, so that's great. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe and turn on the red button so you get notifications whenever I post a video just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! See you next time. Bye.